So I saw him working out with the client, and I found him very focused, very dedicated with that client. Honestly, I saw that dedication in him, and I joined him.
The knowledge what he has, I have never experienced previously.
The fact that somebody else would care about my fitness as much as I did, that really inspired me.
In fact, there are so many aspects of me and my body I came to know after joining Jay.
The one parameter which was related to cholesterol, they say it's high. So I just saw that high, then I started looking the range. It was not high, it was actually 7 times high as per the normal range. I went to doctor. He said, yes, it is very high. I'm giving you this medicine, you have to take it. I heard about Jay. So I called him again. Told him, hey, I wanted to meet you. I wanted to join you, but I have some medical parameters which I need to discuss and talk. Just Abhishek, trust me, and I'll tell you that you don't go to doctor for 2 months. And just follow what we are doing it here. Even though it doesn't work in 2 months, then you can do whatever you want. Okay, 2 months is too much time, but he says that still I say that 15 days you wait. If you don't realize or feel good, then you can go forward. Well, fine, 15 days I can take a risk. He shared with me my diet plan, that what you should do have, and I was not knowing about my calories, how much I should take, not take, this, that, now bothered. So I just followed what he sent me. After 15 days, when I gave the first milestone, I started feeling myself very light. I started losing 1 kg per week. It was consistent. It was consistent for at least 3 months. 1 months continuously I was going to gym 7 days. And I used to find him, unfortunately, not 20s. But he is a dedicated man, passionate man, I can say. Had that much knowledge, that much passion. Knowledge more than I think passion is all works. So he's a passionate guy. Then I went to doctor before I went to US. It was 1500 my tricyclide. I came down to 200. Straight forward down.
Wow.
Okay, so huge down. I was like so much happy. I told to my father, my brother, they were, oh my god, without taking medicine, only food, gymming, that's it.
One day it was so scary that I thought my time is finished. I have to do something fast. And I think that was the turning point. So that was the motivation.
I've not seen anybody as knowledgeable as him. I've been working with other trainers as well.
Whoever has heard, they have approached me. What is the secret behind this? It's just Jay.
Stunningly. So much so that I don't rely on my own discipline. When I'm traveling, I remind myself, come back and Jay is there to take care of it.
His knowledge in nutrition is very, very good because I'm myself from pharma industry, so I know that he's very scientific when he tells about anything, and I'm amazed at his understanding on the human body and anatomy and pharmacology to some extent. And so it's very impressive the way he knows so much about nutrition, and which I know that the most important thing for people like us is that how scientific the person is. We don't believe anything which is not scientific because anything which is not scientific for people like us is a rumor.
Jay used to tell us, when you are young, body will hear to you. As you grow old, start listening to your body.
In 6 months I lost 10 kgs.
Jay's taught me the essence of resting, how important rest. Nobody's ever told me that.
She was having an acidical problem. She was into thyroid. She is into cholesterol. But now she is saying, I am feeling so much relief after following these methods.
It was magical how good I looked and felt.
I feel I'm mentally also fitter because my body is fitter, so I'm mentally much, much fitter now.
But what Jay has taught me is that anything which is not right for your body is junk.
Science of balancing nutrition with exercise. That has been totally an eye-opener for me, for my family as well.
He helped me push myself beyond my comfort zone. That's what he always keeps telling me. If you're comfortable, then you're not taking out.
December 2018, I was dancing on the floor and I jumped off the dance floor and I had a very, very bad fall, because of which my knee twisted off my left leg. And then it just remained like that. I went for physiotherapy, I went to doctor, and the doctor took an x-ray and he told me very clearly that there is a gap now because of this fall. There is a gap between your two bones and very, very dangerous. You are very prone to arthritis. You have to stop all the exercise which you are doing. All the exercise except that you can do maybe abs exercise, but no leg exercise. He also told me that you can never ever jog in your entire life. Forget about marathon, you can't even jog. You can't even jog casually, you can't even walk. So completely avoid. Come to me every month, get a checkup. But for lifetime, I would say that you cannot jog. For the lifetime. That was his statement, that for the lifetime you cannot jog at all. That was heartbreaking for me. That was hard. So I came to Jay and I said, this is what the doctor said, and I think, to be honest with you, that when the doctor says something, you tend to believe it. And Jay said that, would you give me a chance, to say that because he knows that I'm from pharma background, so I would always believe a doctor. So he said, would you give me a chance to work on that? I said, of course. I said little reluctantly. He gave me some recipes to intake and also did a lot of exercise with me. And he said, let's work out. He did not promise me for some time that let's work out. And then after a few days, he said, would you want to do a marathon? I said, what are you talking about? I can't even run, and how do I do a marathon? He said, you start jogging the way you have been jogging. And with this, with the exercise which I am telling you and with the mixture which I am telling you, I give you a guarantee nothing will happen to you. And I continued jogging, and after that, within 2 months, I did 21-kilometer marathon.
Yeah, so it has been one of the best investment in time I feel I've done in last 5 years, and I really see myself as a changed person.
I used to go on a vacation every 2-3 months. Every time I came back with at least 2 to 3 kgs weight gain after a nice vacation. But every time he was so confident that within the next 10 days we would lose, and there has not been once also that we have not done it.
For me in particular, I had an underlying health problem. I had a slip disc. Even to go to my native in Kerala, though it's an 8-hour journey, I used to take a break somewhere in middle, and I used to stay overnight and then go the next day because I didn't want to sit for long. Okay. I think last December we drove 22 hours continuously, and we went to Goa during the last Christmas. So I think that's one of the biggest achievement I feel.
Like 3.5 years back, we went to Goa, and just as a fun, we had a small race. Okay. Me, my co-brother, my father-in-law, and I couldn't outrun my father-in-law at that time. Okay. So then I started, what am I doing? So from there today I could able to run marathons. So that is my biggest change.
He has all the knowledge in the world about nutrition. He's like a nutrition god for me. Because whenever with any doubts, even with little things like cold or maybe even joint pains or anything, you have a topic and he has a long list of things that can be done, all home remedies and whatever natural techniques that can be used. He has answer to all of that. So it's amazing.
My wife had an early sign of inflammatory arthritis. Once again, who else to talk with when it comes to health? So I once again reached out to Jay. He suggested the diet changes. He emphasized that she should take adequate rest and exercise. And it's remarkable that in just 2 months she was back to how she was before this pain caught her.